Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Farzana Akter Dola, basic BSc Nursing first year, Bangladesh Nursing College. Now I want to describe about Sundarban. The Sundarban is one of the largest mangrove forests in the world. The forest lies at the confluence of Ganga, Brahmaputra and Meghna rivers in the Bay of Bengal and is spread across the southeastern part of the Bangladesh, and it became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1997. The Sundarban is famous for the Royal Bengal tiger and the Sundari trees. But now the forest is slowly getting destroyed by erosion, rising of sea level. No doubt the describe of the forest is posing threat to the survival of its majestic animals. Government and natural resource mangroves should actively take immediately step in across the habitat of tigers. The Sundarban is not only a beauty but also beneficial. Thank you everyone for listening me.